So today I am looking for furniture. So you are going to come along with me while I look at some furniture at a few different places, and then I'll come back and put everything on my shopping list and kind of go over what the shopping list looks like and explain that to you. So follow along with me today on my journey. All right, here we go. All right, I am back and I have completed my shopping, at least for the furniture. So now I have been updating my shopping list spreadsheet so that I can kind of keep track of what I'm spending and try to stay on budget, even though I've already went over the budget I thought I had for the furniture. I'm a little bit over it, but it's okay. I'm not too bad. I gave myself a range of 2,000 to 2,500 for just the furniture by itself. I am furnishing a two-bedroom, one bathroom condo which has a living room, dining room area. So those are the pieces that I'm pretty much focusing on. And I did cut some corners to kind of maximize my money. So let me tell you what I am talking about, right? All right, so if you look on this spreadsheet here in front of me, you see I have living room. I have my prices in the store that I am getting the furniture from. Now, the living room sofa and chair is a package deal. I'm still waiting on the store to let me know if the sofa and the couch that I want is going to be available. If not, this price could change, but I went for the maximum price that I would be spending because this is on the high end, according to the sales representative, that I could be spending, but it might be less. So I put in 560 for that. All right. So now today, I ordered my mattresses. Now for my beds, I get platform beds, so I don't have to worry about a box spring. So I just ordered four mattresses, um, two for each property. So I need to update the spreadsheet. So I'm going down here to mattresses, and I already have where I am purchasing the mattresses from. So the mattresses are 275 per mattress, and these are actually luxury mattresses, double pillow top, very thick plush mattresses. So I use them in all my properties. Have had no complaints, and they are very cheap. So the total price, it is 275 times 2, and that's 550, and then I had an $80 delivery fee, so that's $630 that I am spending on the two mattresses plus the delivery. So in here I am going to put 630. Then I also put a description. So this is for two mattresses at 275 plus 80. I should have put a number sign up on that. $80 delivery. Oh, I know exactly what that's for. $2,377 is what I or will be spending on furniture. Mind you, I've placed orders, but I have not paid for some of these items. So right now, the only item I've actually paid for were the mattresses. I just placed my order. I'm waiting on confirmation that all of these items are available in good condition because I am getting pre-owned items from a rental furniture store. So just to make sure everything's on the up and up, once they give me confirmation they have everything I want, then I will make my payment over the phone. So that's how that's going to work. I'm not worried about it. The next thing I want to talk about really, really quick is my bed frame. I have not ordered that as well. I am ordering my bed frame from Amazon. Done this before. And I've set it up myself. Very easy, very reasonable, reasonably priced headboard and platform bed frames. So they're $230 and we're getting two, so that's where this 460. I have not ordered that yet, just because it does not take that long for that to be delivered. Of course, Amazon, it's probably going to just take a couple days. I'm going to wait maybe a day or two before I get the keys to the property to order this, so that this could be shipped directly to the property and I don't have to worry about transporting it from my house to these locations. Hopefully that helps you. This is my shopping list. I do provide my shopping list to other people. So if you click the link below in the description, you can have access to this shopping list. Now, it will not, of course, have my numbers on it, it will be blank. But it will be something that you can use for your short term or midterm rentals. If you are already in the business or thinking about getting into it, this could be a great resource for you to make sure you don't forget anything, because it's so easy to forget some of these small items. This is the majority of what you need. It's a pretty good foundation. And if there's anything else you might need for your particular property, you can always just add that in here. But it does keep a running total of what you're spending. So my running total is down here. Feel free to download it. Also, as well as downloading this shopping list, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Miss Kellie Michele, all together. And I always provide free information, free downloads, a lot of good things there. I also have a Facebook group called Midterm Rentals 30-Day Plus Real Estate Rentals. I'll put that in the description below as well. If you want to join the group, it's open to the public. People are just sharing information, asking questions, answering questions. So it's a good community just to hop into if you're interested in getting into the midterm rental space. All right. Again, as always, I hope this helped you. And thank you for following me along my shopping journey. I don't think you need to see me buying kitchen and bath stuff. So, but this is just an example of what you would have to do to keep yourself on track for your midterm rental or your short term rental. Either way, this will work for you. All right. Talk to you later. Bye.